Hi, I'm Fairy, and today on Naked Skincare, I want to talk once again about exfoliation. I know we've talked about it a lot, but it really is that important. And there's one area that you've probably been neglecting. Now, if you're like a lot of people, well, you neglected your scalp and you probably neglected all but the rough areas of your body, things like your feet and your elbows and knees. But there's one area that I think probably nearly everyone forgets, and that's your fingernails. Now, your fingernails, look, mine are pretty and painted, even the one that I accidentally cut off, and that's another story for another day. But your fingernails, well, they're there. They're important. They protect the ends of your fingers, and that's really important. But a lot of people have difficulty with healthy nails and healthy nail beds. And they don't think about, just like you have cell turnover in your skin, you also have it in your nails. Now your nails, your nail bed and your nails are made mostly of keratin, and you have keratin in your skin. But your hair and your nails are made largely of keratin. It is a much harder substance, but still, to get healthy cell turnover, you need to exfoliate. So how do you exfoliate your fingernails? And you don't have to do it as often. I try to hit my nails about once a week, at the extreme once every 2 weeks, but about once a week, and this counts to your toenails too. And the simplest way, now I bought these on Wish. You can get them, you can find them in drugstores, you can find them in other online venues. Any place that sells nail supplies will have little, these are little, think of them as very fine sanders. They're not going to do, I mean, you can see me do it and it doesn't hurt at all. And that's what I've used for a long time, but recently I was at a gift show where I got some of the crystal vials, and it came in a kit that came with this buffer that has 3 different, each one finer than the other, and this is soft and just buffs. And the first time I used it, I was amazed. I started off, first of all, push your cuticles back, and use some sort of oil, even if it's just olive oil or a cooking oil, on your cuticles to soften them and moisturize them, get them pushed back. I grow cuticles like I grow all my other skin, so I have to regularly keep mine pushed back. But then with the roughest edge, just go over your nails. And it just takes a few minutes, and you can sit and do it while you're watching TV. And then I'd go to the other side, and then finally the polished side. It's really simple, and it really makes a difference in the health and strength of your nails. If your nails are breaking easily, if they're not growing, yes, it could be a dietary issue, because your diet definitely affects your skin, your hair, your nails. But it could also be that you need to exfoliate. So don't forget this often forgotten and neglected area of your skincare routine, and exfoliate your nails, because they are part of your skin, they're part of your protective boundary, and as always, skincare is healthcare.